Hello, you're welcome to the world of ChatGPT, a powerful language model that is changing the way that we interact with technology. Alright, so in this video, I will be showing you the amazing functions of ChatGPT. So in case you've heard about ChatGPT and you don't know how it works or you don't know the function, then this video is for you. And if you haven't heard anything about ChatGPT and you would like to know more about it, then this video is for you. Ensure you watch to the very end. So what exactly is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI, and it is based on the generative pre-trained transformer, that is GPT. GPT means generative pre-trained transformer. So it's based on the GPT architecture and is trained on a massive data set of internet text. So it can generate human-like text in response to a given prompt and can be used for a wide range of natural language processing tasks. It can understand and respond to natural language input, and this makes it easy for users to interact with it in a conversational manner. It is an AI that functions like human, just the way you chat with your friends. You can ask questions in form of chat and it replies you just like human in the form of chat. This makes it easy for you to interact in a conversational way. So just imagine you getting answers to all of your questions in a conversational way. That's wow. Okay. So one thing about ChatGPT is that it can generate human-like text, and it makes it very useful for tasks such as writing of article, email composition, creating of chatbot responses. So talking about article writing, in case you're a writer, you can use ChatGPT to write and to make money. With ChatGPT, you can easily overcome writer's block. It can save your time and increase your writing skills. Okay, so and as a digital marketer that is into email marketing, or if you are into email marketing, you can use ChatGPT to compose emails for your audience, your clients, your customers, and whoever you want to send your email to. Another thing is that ChatGPT can be used by developers. With ChatGPT, you can generate code by providing it with a prompt that describes the desired functionality or structure of the code. Now, the model can then generate code snippets that conform to the prompt, saving you as the developer time and effort. So, for example, if you as a developer could provide ChatGPT with a prompt that describes the function you want to create, and then the model would now generate the corresponding code for that function in the desired programming language. I hope you understand this. Then this capacity is possible because the model has been trained on a large data set of code, allowing it to learn patterns and structures that are common in programming languages. It can also be used to complete partial written code or fix bugs for providing the corresponding code snippet that fits the context. You need to know that the code generated by ChatGPT might not always be optimal or error-free. It can be 100% accurate, and it is important for you as a developer to review and test the generated code before using it in the production environment. Now, not only for developer, anyone using ChatGPT, let's say for instance you're a writer and you're using ChatGPT, you also need to be aware of the fact that what you get from ChatGPT will not always be error free. Okay, so you need to review everything you get before making use of it. So ChatGPT's ability to generate code can be valuable tool for developers because it allows them to quickly prototype ideas or automate repetitive tasks. Next is language translation or summarization. So you need to know that ChatGPT can be fine-tuned for specific tasks like this, like language translation or summarization. So if you want to translate any word to another language, ChatGPT can be used for that. In fact, I used it to translate a word to Pidgin, to Yoruba, to French, to Spanish, okay, to any other language of your choice. And as you can see on the screen, I use it to translate to Yoruba. But one thing is, If you want to translate any word to another language, you need to understand that it will not be 100% accurate, okay? But you can actually get the idea of what it is saying, which is the important thing. But you can't completely rely on this translation because the Yoruba translation I got wasn't 100% correct. So I believe ChatGPT will keep improving, okay? So another thing is that you can use it for sentiment analysis. It determines the emotional tone of text. It can also be used for text completion, predicting the next word or phrase in a sentence. Okay, so ChatGPT can be integrated with other technologies such as voice recognition software to create a fully functioning virtual assistant. It can also be used for language-based question answering tasks, like answering questions in a FAQ page, like frequently asked question page. So it can also be used for content creation, such as writing fiction, poetry, and news articles. So if you are into content creation, ChatGPT can be your go-to. Alright, so it can also be used to generate captions, subtitles, and titles for videos, images, and other multimedia content. GTP is here to change the way you work and our experiences with technology. Okay, so you can also use it for content optimization by checking and correcting your grammar, punctuation, and style errors in text. So, in fact, it can be used for script writing, right? It can be used for script writing. If you have anything you want to write, any script you want to write, ChatGPT can do that for you. If you have an article you've written and you want ChatGPT to optimize it, maybe for SEO purpose, or to optimize it for grammar check, for punctuation, or the style of writing, ChatGPT can do that for you. Now, with its ability to understand and generate natural language, ChatGPT is opening up new possibilities in the technology and beyond. So the future is right here, and ChatGPT is leading the way. Okay, so I hope this helps you in your daily tasks and in your content creation, your programming, and lots more. So if you have any other thing that you have been using ChatGPT for, you can actually leave that in the comment section. I will be glad to read and to also hear from you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos on business, lifestyle, and anything that has to do with online stuff. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.